Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Pakanema wa Parliament lero lachiwiri pa 3 December 2024. Dzina langa ndi Chikondi Manjawira. Tikupitiriza kupatsirani tsatanetsatane wa zokambirana za phungu a nyumba ya malamulo. Ndondomeko yoyendetsera zokambirana za phungu mnyumbayi lero ikusonyeza kuti aphungu ayamba zokambirana zawo pofunsa mafunso ku maunduna osiyanasiyana. Tikuyembekezeranso kuti nyumbayi ikambirana nkhani zina zofunika zokhudza dziko lino motsogozedwa ndi gawo 14 loyendetsera zokambirana mnyumbamo. Ndipo kumbali ya boma tikuyembekeza kuti lero mnyumbayi mubwera mabilu awiri, malipoti kuchokera ku nduna wa zaulimi, komanso maunduna a boma osiyanasiyana apereka malamulo ang'onoang'ono amene nduna zimapereka atapatsidwa mphamvu ndi nyumba ya malamulo. Let me welcome you to Parliament Television today, Tuesday, 3rd December 2024, as we continue giving you live broadcast of the 60th meeting of Parliament of the 50th session. Let's take a look at today's order paper. Under general business, we expect the House to commence deliberations with questions on notice to ministers for oral replies. The order paper also indicates that the House will tackle a matter of urgent public importance under Standing Order 14. And under government business, we expect the House to tackle bills, ministerial statements from the Ministry of Agriculture, and laying of subsidiary legislation. We now cross over to the chamber as today's deliberations are about to commence. My name is Chikondi Manjawira. I urge you to stay tuned and follow the proceedings.
Let us pray. Let us pray. Almighty God, who in your wisdom and goodness has appointed the office of the rulers and parliaments for the welfare of society and the just government of the people, we ask you to behold with your abundant favors your servants, whom you have been pleased to call to the performance of important tasks in this land. Let your blessings descend upon us here assembled, and grant that we may treat and consider all matters that shall come under our deliberation in so just and faithful a manner as to promote your honor and glory, and to advance the peace, prosperity, and welfare of this country and of those whose interests you have committed to our church. Amen.
General business, communication from the chair.
Good morning, honorable members, and welcome back. For the time being, I don't have any communication to make. Thank you. Leader of the House.
Good morning, Second Deputy Speaker. Good morning, honorable members. I wanted to beg that we waive the order paper and we carry business bills. We start with bill number 28 of 2024 with the Honorable Minister of Energy to waive for the 28 days notice. I beg to move.
Sorry, Leader, which bill are we starting with?
Bill number 28 of 2024.
Honorable members, thank you very much, Leader. Honorable members, I now put a question, and the question is that today's order paper be waived in order for the House to start its deliberations with bills, and starting with bill number 28 of 2024. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary opinion say no. The noes have it. Let me put the question again. Let me put the question again. Let me put the question again. And the question is that, today's order paper be waived in order for the House to start its deliberations with bills, bill number 28 of 2024. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary opinion say no. The ayes have it. The motion is carried. Honorable members, why are you standing? Division granted. May the bells be rung for 5 minutes, please. At this time, I wish to ask all the members that are in the House to initiate sign in. Yeah, you have to sign in. Okay, you have to sign in. Initiation will be done here, except for the honorable ministers who are not members, who are not honorable members, who are not MPs. Sergeant at Arms, may the doors be closed. Honorable members, ask the leader who help. May you sign in? If you don't sign in, then you will not be able to vote. Thank you. Honorable members, everyone should be on his seat. Yes, leader? Leader, I don't see you here. Who's honorable members?
Those two have to go back.
Honorable members, I asked for the doors. Even the honorable minister, is it the honorable minister is coming in?
Yes,
just now. Honorable members,
that honorable member
I asked for the doors to be closed. This side, one member. Honorable members, 2 members from this side should go out. 2 members and 1 member this side. One member this side. Honorable Minister Voter, you have to go out. I don't know who are the members here. Table clerk, help me. I should mention them. They should go out. Reader, maybe you saw them.
Yes, Madam, from my side, I saw the Honorable Minister Voter. From here, from this side, I saw Honorable Kanyama, and I also Honorable McKnight from Chiradzu. Honorable McKnight and Honorable Kanyama.
Honorable members mentioned. Zomba Malosa, order. Honorable members, 3 honorable members from this side, may you please go out? Yes, the Honorable Minister Voter will go out. Honorable members, no, honorable members, this side, the 3 honorable members mentioned should go out. This side, Honorable Mwawa, Honorable Bandawe, Honorable Minister of Water. Honorable Minister of Water, Bandawe. I'm being guided here. Yes, leader. Mwawa. 2. Honorable members, it's honorable Mwawa, not honorable Bandawi. Honorable Mwawa should go out. Honorable Mwawa, which Kalegala are you talking about? Honorable Mwawa, march out. This side, have you moved out? Honorable members, may we make progress, please? Honorable Chisestere. Honorable Maloa. Honorable Maloa, you came in when the doors were, I already ordered the officials to close the doors. No, members have seen you, even the table clerks have seen you. No, I already ordered them to close the doors. Honorable member, don't argue with me. Just go out. You have seen the Honorable Minister of Water. The doors were open, but she has gone out. They will go out. They will go. Honorable Mwawa, what do you want me to do? I have said you have to go out. Go out, Honorable. Yes, you will go out. Honorable Mwawa, just to go. Honorable Gisesere, we are waiting for you. May you go out so that we can proceed. Hey, the doors be closed, please. Yes, leader?
I wanted to humbly request that for the sake, this is the first time to vote using electronic, you can take back people just to tell them, just to show them what to do. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, that you should take people through.
Honorable members, since it is our first time to use the machine for voting, I'll ask the table clerk to explain what is supposed to be done.
Honorable Chairperson, Second Deputy Speaker, and members of the House, two things are going to happen. We initiate sign-in, and all honorable members will have to sign in. On your screen, we have not initiated, we will initiate again. Once you have signed in, we are certain who is in this house. You are requested to be on your seat, designated seat, do not move to another seat. Once we have ascertained who is in the house, then we'll proceed to vote. And when we initiate the voting, there will be two buttons on your screen. You can vote yes or no. And ministers who are not members of parliament do not have to sign in and
members, the table clerk is giving instructions, please order.
Automatically, we'll see the results immediately after the vote has ended. The vote will be for 1 minute. But firstly, you have to sign in. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Honorable members, now sign in. Everyone should sign in now. I hope everyone has signed in. Okay. Honorable members, I repeat, if you don't sign in, you will not be able to vote. And the honorable ministers who are not members of parliament, please don't sign in. If you don't know where to sign in, press the red button which is there. The red button, press it. I can see that members are still signing in. I think we are done. Honorable members, we are now closing sign in so that we should vote. Leader.
One who has a problem in signing in, as a matter of training, from you as chair, say, if you are not able to sign in, can I see your hand? Technicians can rush into help. Yeah. So that.
Okay. Yeah. Honorable members, do we have anyone who is failing to sign in? Please let me know. Okay. Our beautiful lady there, rush to him. Who else? He's the only one. Those ministers who are not members of parliament should not sign in. All right, I understand. In that case, honorable member who is failing to sign in there, you can't sign in on somebody's seat. That's the problem. Unless you go to your seat, you'll be able to sign in. Why am I having this on the door? The door is open. Sorry? No, honorable, if you are honorable members, just go out, then the door should be closed. The door should be closed. Honorable members, please, if you want to be observers, go in the gallery and observe from there. Honorable member, you are in the house and the rule is the door to be closed. You are in the house and the rule, the door has to be closed. Honorable members, because honorable members, honorable member, will it be okay for all the doors to be open and then members should come on the door? Will it be okay? No, honorable, no. Sergeant at arms, may you close the door, please? Honorable member, the rule is for the door to be closed. Leader, can you help us on this? They are your members.
Honorable members, respect the house.
Thank you, leader. Honorable members, because we had some hiccups, we are going to start again. Oh yes, no, some ministers did sign in. Honorable leader, some ministers who are not members of parliament did sign in. Members, honorable members, we are going to start again. Members should press the red button to sign in. Ministers with no constituency should not sign in. Every member should be on their seat. Every member should be on their seat. We are going to start again. Now, sign in. Sign in. Leader backbenchers, you have signed in indeed. No, members are still signing in. I'm checking here. Honorable members, according to my records here, we have 74 members in the House. Now we can vote. Honorable members, voting will be done in 1 minute 30 seconds. If you don't vote, you will be left out. Kaba Craig, can you explain how to vote it? Honorable members, just to remind you the question, that the order paper be varied in order to tackle government business bill number 28 of 2024. Thank you, thank you. Honorable member, we are voting. I'm remaining with 7 seconds here. Honorable members, order. Honorable members, according to the results, those who are saying yes, we have to move to bills, there are 45. And those who are saying no, 27. Not participating, 2, abstention 0, which means we have to go to bills. Thank you. The doors can now be opened. Honorable members, order. Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members.
Government business.
Honorable leader of opposition.
Point of order.
Thank you. Thank you so much, members. Can we proceed, please? Can we make progress? Can we make progress, please? Honorable members.
105.
Can we make progress, please?
105.
Leader of opposition.
Deputy Speaker, Madam,
Said Deputy Speaker, Madam, is it in order? Is it in order after we had been told that bills will be tabled the third week, that we are now being told that we have to deal with bills now? Is it in order?
Point of order, Madam.
Honorable members, order. Honorable members, order. If it was communicated that the bills will be tabled in the third week, but then this House can waive the order paper anytime. So if we have waived and we have voted, I think we will go by the results of the voting. Thank you.
Point of order. Point of order.
Leader.
Right Honorable Second Deputy Speaker, I have seen one of my friends carrying a cup of tea into the House. And I thought that's unparliamentary. If he
Who is that?
can go, I didn't want to mention the name, but I just wanted that the House should be on.
Honorable members, I don't want to mention the name, but we are not allowed to bring cups of tea in the chamber. Please, honorable members, Mulanje Bale.
Yes, madam. Good morning.
Standing.
I just want to say, out of this whole house, I'm the only one with a white cap in the house. And I just want to justify, madam. The doctors can attest to this. The ones that are seated at the back.
Honorable members, I am here listening to what he's going to say, please. I'm here. I'm the one who asked him to leave the cup outside, and then he's communicating to me, please. Proceed.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker.
Honorable member, in short, if you have a problem that you need that cup of tea, you were supposed to inform the office. Inform my office.
Not cup of tea, madam, it's medications.
Fine, but you were supposed to inform me. But you didn't inform the office.
Yeah, but then someone can come and collect it. It doesn't matter.
Thank you. Resume your seat. Resume your seat. Resume your seat, but next time you have to inform my office.
The fact is that I am not feeling well. These boys should not feel today I will not work. I'll work. I'm here to work. And I want to inform the boys that side. I'll work and I'm here to work. I'll work, madam. Thank you very much. We are here to work and we will work.
Honorable member. Honorable member, you have made it clear. Resume your seat. You have made it clear. Resume your seat. Honorable Jorobara. Sorry, honorable member for Machinga East. Thank you so much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. Mulanje Bale, resume your seat.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I would want guidance from your office, madam, that with the coming in of
honorable member, I'm unable to hear what the honorable member is saying.
Honorable members, I'm unable to hear what the honorable member is saying. Honorable leader. Honorable member for Machinga East, resume your seat. Honorable member for Mulanje Bale, go to your seat. I want to address you. Honorable member, go to your seat. I want to address you. Honorable member for Mulanje Bale, may I see the cup that you are using? And you are saying that's medicine? From where? Can you rise? May you rise? When you said, all the honorable members, honorable member for Mulanje Bale, honorable member for Mulanje Bale, when you said you are sick, I could hear even your voice that you are unwell. But then I thought that is medicine from somewhere else. But you are using the cup from this building. No, we cannot allow that. No, had it been that you are using from a different cup, but that cup is from within. That cup is from within, Honorable. So can we have order in the house? May I have that cup outside, please? If you cannot sit here without the cup, may you just go outside, take your medicine, and then come back. Okay? Thank you very much, Honorable. Thank you, Honorable. Thank you very much. What is it? Salima Southwest, I know you like tea very much. You have even brought the flask there. Can you take your flask outside with your cup? Take it outside. Honorable member, I'm not playing here, okay? No, I can't allow that. Honorable members, I don't like what is happening in the house. Let me repeat this. When I allowed the honorable member to be with the cup in the house, I didn't see that it is the cup from Parliament. I thought it is a cup from somewhere else, and indeed there is medicine in that cup. That's why I allowed him. But when I saw that it is the cup from within, that's why I said no, then it has to go out. Honorable member for Machinga East. Thank you so much, Madam. I would like to ask a clarification from your office that with the coming in of the technology in the House, is there need for us to close doors whenever we are voting? Because the technology itself, when you give the approval, members will vote, and when the members are late, they will find us already voted. So to me, I feel that I'm asking clarification, Madam, from your office. And
Yes,
it is
Honorable.
And
Yes,
it is
Honorable.
only from your office.
Let me respond.
Nobody else, but from your office.
Let me respond, Honorable.
I respect your office, Madam.
Honorable, I'm here to respond to your question. Honorable member, indeed we are using our computers to do the signing in and of course the voting. But then the time in between is very small. It's only a minute. You see now, even when I said, can you sign in? Someone can just come in as I'm waiting for all of you to sign in. Someone can just come in and sign in. That's why I asked our officials to close the doors so that no one should come in and sign in when he or she is late. Thank you. Can we make progress, please?
Item 3, Government Business, Bills, First Reading, Bill number 28 of 2024, Energy Regulation Amendment.
Honorable Minister. I think you have to wave first. First word. Honorable member, you are not using your seat, so I will not be able to give you the floor here. You have to go back to your seat.
It's now ready.
Honorable, I understand why you are there. May you proceed, please?
Thank you very much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I beg to present the bill before 28 days notice. The reason: energy is the driver of the economy. Energy is an enabler. And we have seen even people...
The honorable members.
Energy. For that, there is an agency on availability.
Honorable members, please hold. I can't hear what the honorable minister is saying.
I beg to move to waive all the standing orders for 28 days notice. I thank you, Madam Second Deputy Speaker.
Honorable member, you have to mention the reasons. Okay. That's why I said we have to be quiet in the house, because I was not able to hear what the minister was saying. Honorable members, I now put a question, and the question is that the recommended 28 days notice to tackle bill number 28 of 2024 be waived. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary opinion say no. The ayes have it, the motion is carried. Honorable members, why are you standing? Division granted. May I have the bells rang for 5 minutes, please? Honorable members, so what will happen this time around, while the bells are being rung, all the members that are here, except for those that are not members of parliament, should sign in. As soon as we finish ringing the bells, the doors will be closed and we go into voting. So you can sign in even now. If you have just come in, please sign in. As soon as you sit, sign in. Members, just to remind you, when you get in, please sign in. When we stop the bells, and the sign in will be stopped as well. Oh yes, that is what will happen. I explained earlier on that you have to sign in now. When the bell will stop, the doors will be closed. And no. As soon as you come in, please sign in. Need help, honorable member? Okay. Honorable members, I don't expect you to double sign in. The officials are on the look. The time of voting, they will see you moving from one seat to another. So you'll be ashamed. Waiting for the 5 minutes to end. Everyone on his seat. will be closed. We are stopping sign in. Yes, the doors should be, honorable member, where are the officials to close the doors? Honorable members, the question is that the order paper be waived, be varied in order to tackle government business. Bill number. No, this is not the question. Honorable members, the question is that the 28 days notice on bill number 28 be waived due to the urgency of the bill. Those of the opinion, they will vote yes. Those who are against that opinion will vote no. What is your problem, Honorable? We are voting, you cannot speak. We are voting, you cannot speak. If you have a problem, just raise your hand and the technician is there, right away there. She will help you. The voting has started. 1 minute only, 1 minute 30 seconds for you to vote. 1 minute 30 seconds for you to vote. If you have a problem, just raise your hand. Vote, honorable members, vote. Our technician, Madam, she needs help. Honorable members, 8 minutes to time. 3 seconds. We are closing the voting. Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable members, the results shows that we have to we should continue with the bill number 28 because the yes is 74 and the no is 47. Abstention 1, not participating 7. Zomba Antonia, why are you standing? Use the mic, Honorable.
Madam Speaker, the people of Zombatonia who don't register their concern pertaining to the gadgets that we're using, it's better we revert back to the original voting. Madam Speaker, I'm saying this why? I want to find out if we have Honorable Sungama in this house. Honorable Sungama had been keyed in as if he's around, and he has voted. So, to me, this voting is now at void because the people that are not here are voting in this house. I submit, Madam Speaker.
Honorable member for Zomba Antonia. Honorable member for Zomba Antonia, thank you very much for that. But I would like to know, how did you know that the honorable member signed in?
Madam Speaker, not all of us in this house are ignorant of technology. Some of us, we are very much conversant with these kind of things. I'm trying to explain. Let my boys keep quiet this side, Madam Speaker. I saw all the numbers that have clicked in, all the numbers that went into the system. I saw, when you go to your right, to your left, where there is a list of members, it shows a click where it shows that somebody is in here. It's straightforward. You can ask the technical person. Inu simukaziziwa inu. Muziziwira kuti. It shows everybody who has logged in. And maybe it's high time we need to train these people on how to use these gadgets so that they must know how this thing works.
Honorable member, if you are checking this side, the list of the members who are here, where there is a tick and a cross, then we are not using that one. Because even here, I have Nzimba Honorable Chihana is also appearing here, but he's not in the house. You should not use that list. You should not use that list, Honorable. Leader of the House, Zomba Antonia, you have explained it and I have responded. Leader, I don't see you here. Order, honorable members, order.
Second Deputy Speaker,
as one of the leaders in the House, it's our first day.
it's our first day to use the voting system. Therefore, when people like him
Don't understand, you can explain.
that's why each step, it will be very important to explain. Because all members appearing on the left side, including Honorable Sosten Kwembe, Honorable Jeremiah Chan, they are green on this side. It's only when you sign in physically that it clocks you in. That's why the Speaker does not allow you to move from one seat to another seat. But if you talk about names appearing on the left, can you ask help? Otherwise, fellow leader, there is nothing sinister with the system. No, we are ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready.
Thank you very much, Leader. Honorable members, let me explain like this. I'll give you a chance, starting with Zomba Lisanjala, then you, but let me explain this. Honorable member, resume your seat, I want to explain. If you see the honorable member who is not in the house, but he is appearing on the left side of your computer, it is because your cards are not working. Therefore, the officials have signed in, have logged in, not signing in, but logged in for everyone. Now, for you to signing in, it's only done by the members who are in the house. And that cannot be done by someone who is not in the house. Somebody, Sanjara.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker.
Honorable members, order.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I think we are all learning.
Yes.
Because what happened was, my neighbor here, Honorable Scott, when you said we should sign in, his gadget was also activated. I could have touched the button and signed in. So because we are all learning, we need to see how we can lock out those that are not in the house. So the observation from the leader of UDF, in my view, is correct.
Yeah, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, until and unless this system recognizes fingerprints, this system is not of any use. Because I could move from here and sign in for these two people and vote for them, as somebody there was doing. So we do not recognize this vote. Thank you very much. This thing is useless for voting. People can use it to steal the vote as they are used to stealing votes.
Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Honorable members, what you are saying, the way Honorable Zombali Sanjala has explained is possible. Because everyone has logged in. Everyone has logged in. So it is possible for me to sign in for my neighbor, and I can even vote for my neighbor. It's just unfortunate. It's just no. It's just unfortunate that the cards are not working. It's unfortunate that the cards are not working. But can I give guidance, please? Can I give guidance? May we proceed the way it is. We proceed with the bill, that's all. No, honorable members, even if we had the count, this side has more members.
Point of order. Point of order, Madam Speaker.
Yes, but you sat down. Anyway.
Point of order. You had recognized me. You had recognized me. Madam,
I don't see you here.
Madam Speaker, I've been recognized here.
Cholotav, I don't see you.
Madam Speaker, I've already been recognized.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Mine is just a concern. I've failed to cast my vote. I tried 3 times to press the button, but I've failed to cast my vote. So may you allow us to use physical voting.
Honorable member, I said those that are failing to use the system, they should raise their hand so that the technician should come and help. That's what I said. No, I did. How come I didn't see you? Can we make progress, please? Zombali Sanjala. Not Zombali Sanjala, Zombali Machingali when.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, if the system is registering everybody present, then there was no point of locking the doors, because according to this system, everyone is here. And if everybody is here, you can go pressing at every center to indicate that you are present. We should abandon this and vote the way we used to vote without these machines. These machines are useless. These machines are useless.
Honorable member, indeed the system is showing that, but then the signing in is only for the one who is here.
Then, madam, the point is that...
Honorable members, can we make progress, please?
No.
Honorable leader. You have the floor. Leader, you have the floor.
For people to sit down.
Sorry?
When you identify others to speak, we sit down. So when you identify us, they should also sit. There should be the column in the house, so that we progress as a house, but not people standing 3, 4 and speaking on microphone when you have not recognized them. That's not the way to go. Right, Honorable Second Deputy Speaker, if indeed people want manual system, no one is refusing that. The only thing that I want us to agree here is that let's not refuse change. Some of these comments that are coming that this system is useless from leaders is not good. If you have pointed out a challenge, and I said even earlier on, carry people through. If people are not able to vote, let them raise hands. It's me who stood and asked you to do that. It's a new system. If people have found a fault, let them raise a hand and speak that. But if we start coming and say this is a useless, this was donated by UNDP, and this is not a useless system. So, now, but if people want now to go manual, we are ready to go manual. Second Deputy Speaker, if people want to go manual, we are ready to go manual. Today, this bill will be done. Whether at 12 midnight, whether at 1 a.m., this bill will be done. Whether at midnight, whether at a.m., this bill will be done. This fuel bill will be done. Whatever games are playing, this fuel bill will be done.
Honorable members, thank you very much, Leader of the House. Honorable members, as much as you are right on what you are saying, all those who have signed in, I have the records here, and I have asked the table clerk to print so that you can see who has signed in. In the case you think that people were voting for each other, I have the records. It will be signed in, and can we proceed, please? Honorable Minister, second reading when?
Second Deputy Speaker, today and now. I thank you.
Honorable members, I now put a question, and the question is that second reading of Bill number 28 of 2024, Energy Regulation Amendment, be done today. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contra opinion say no. The ayes have it, the motion is carried.
Point of order. After this process, when it says today and now,
There was no need for a motion. That's a bill process.
we already carried the motion. After you ask him, check, there's no need for a motion. You give the motion, we have already passed the motion. Check your procedures.
Honorable Leader of the House, the first motion was to waive the 28 days, and now this motion is to move from first reading to second reading. That's it. It is a motion. Thank you. Honorable members, why are you standing? Division granted. Members, which way should we go? We are going to use the system, right? Honorable members, honorable members, I was asking because others were complaining, and the leader said no, and the leader said, if they want manual, let us go manual. Let us go manual. Leader? Leader, you have the floor.
Second Deputy Speaker, Parliament Commission brought the gadgets. The leadership of Parliament, we accepted. If you don't want these gadgets, we are ready to go even now to our bad system. If you ask us to say, which one do we use? If the speakership doesn't want this, fine and good. We are ready. And let's now start voting manual. We drop this. Let's drop manual. Let's not waste time with this. Let's move on and do the bill. We are ready to work without these new gadgets. Switch on the old system. Let's vote manual as they want.
Thank you very much. Honorable members, yesterday we had these gadgets. It had problems. We used the old system while the gadgets were here. Oh yes, oh yes. That is what happened yesterday. And today, I allowed, no. Today, I allowed the honorable members to use the gadgets, but when it came for voting, we had a problem. And the problem is, someone is at home, but has been logged in. Yes, someone is at home, but has been logged in. And then I'm trying to get, no. I'm asking you, and you have said, yes, we can go manual. That is what you have said. And even leader of the house, you said no problem. If you want to go Manya, we go Manya. So what should I do? Honorable members, we are just wasting our time here. We are just wasting our time. Leader of opposition. Honorable members, order. Order, honorable members, I want to speak. Honorable members, I'm saying I want to speak. Honorable members, resume your seat. I want to speak. Resume your seat. I want to speak. Honorable members, the use of these gadgets, our problem in voting is the signing in. Others have said others are signing in for friends, colleagues. That's the issue, right? I have resolved the issue with the table clerk that indeed there is a problem that all members have been logged in, even though they are home, but they have logged in. But for the signing in, it's only those that are in the house. Now, for you to have evidence that no one signed in for a colleague, we are going to print out. We are going to print out and see who signed in. At first, in the first voting, we had only 74 members signing in, and the second voting, we had only 123. So we'll see after the printing out of what we have here. Therefore, can we proceed with the new system? No, we'll be able to print out. We are on division. Can we proceed? Bells be rung for 5 minutes. May I have the bells rung, please, for 5 minutes? Honorable members, as we are ringing the bells, we should sign in. After 5 minutes, we are going to close the signing in. I have said that so many times. I'm not going to repeat because they know the time of signing in, everyone has to sit on his or her own seat. I'm not going to be saying one same thing several times. We are grown-ups here. Honorable member for Zomba Ntonya, we are on voting. You cannot speak. We are on voting. You cannot speak. Honorable members, go to your seat, and I should not see anyone moving around, please. Chief Whip, you have to sign in from your seat. You have to sign in from your seat. Honorable members, I want to see everyone on his or her seat, please. You can start signing in. Sign in, please. Honorable members, after the 5 minutes, I will stop the signing in. Honorable members, when you get in, just go straight into signing in. Honorable members, when you come in, go straight into signing in. Honorable members, I don't want to see you moving up and down, please. Honorable member, you can't see someone signing in. That is not possible. You cannot see. Five minutes. It's logging in, not signing in. This side, if you are checking this side, that's logging in, not sign in. Madam, explain to them. Sergeant at arms, close the doors. Close the doors. will tell her to go and check. I will tell her to go and check which seats, Honorable Leader. Yes, our technician, can you go and check if somebody has signed in for another, for a friend? No, just wait. Honorable Leader of the House, since we said at first when these people said others are signing in for members who are not in, we said we'll make the proof through the printing. Can we go the same way? We'll have the printout. That is what I wrote in the first place and you said yes. We have to vote, right? Thank you very much. May you all resume your seats. We have closed the signing in. Honorable members, you can vote. Question is that the second reading of Bill number 28 be done today and now. Those who are against that will say no. Those who are for that, they will say yes. Honorable members, the voting is over. The voting is over, and we have to continue with the process of the bill because the yes is 77, the no is 42, abstention 1, not participating 6. Honorable members, I will ask you not to give me another division because we are just wasting time. No, honorable members. Honorable members, I suspend the House for healthy break. We'll be back at 11:30. House suspended.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.